There are a lot of choices when it comes to storing and sharing files within the Microsoft 365 suite of applications. It's easy to get stuck in a thought loop of which application should I use given what I'm working on. With that in mind, I created this video to help you know when SharePoint might be your best option. When I tell people that SharePoint is a good place to store and share documents, some people give me this look that says, "No way, not SharePoint." And I get it, but usually they're thinking back to the old days of SharePoint when there were endless files and folders and it was really hard to find things. But SharePoint has come a long way since then. So let's look at what SharePoint is in Microsoft 365. It's a cloud-based application that lets users within the same organization store, share, and collaborate on different types of documents. Access to those documents are controlled by local SharePoint admins called Site Collection Administrators. Think of your files in SharePoint like a car in a parking lot, and the Site Collection Administrator is the parking lot attendant who controls where people can park files based on roles and permissions. For example, a site owner may have full access to the documents and edit them. Visitors may be assigned to a different part of the parking lot and perhaps can only view the documents. Let's look at my fake website, M365 Information Hub, as an example of a SharePoint collection. I'm the owner of the Info Hub, so I can upload documents, edit them, and create SharePoint online pages to collect all my documents in one place. These pages look a little like traditional websites, but notice that I have some self-help documents here to make it really easy for my users to find them. The SharePoint Collection Administrator set up everybody in the company as a visitor, so that I can post them here and everybody can read them without me having to worry about people changing all of my training material. Some people prefer to use a traditional SharePoint document library as a way to collect their documents. So I'm going to go to the site contents behind this website and open the document library. As you can see here, this looks a lot like the several files and folders that I talked about at the beginning of the video. But a good organizational schema can make it easy for you to find your documents. But if all else fails, SharePoint Search has come a long way. For example, let's pretend I did not have a good organization schema. I would need to use Search instead and type in OneDrive to find all the files that I'm looking for. Now let's pretend I just want the document for the shortcuts. I can narrow down the results by typing OneDrive shortcuts in quotation marks, and then the search is going to return just that specific document. On the opposite side of the spectrum, you can click on Expand Search to all items on this site, and it will search all of your SharePoint collection for anything with the search term OneDrive in it. This will include SharePoint pages, documents, news items, and even list items if you have them. If you want to learn about when Teams or OneDrive might be your best option for sharing and storing files, check out the videos that are on the screen now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.